Good morning, everyone. And good morning. How are you all? Jeet, how are you all? I am fine. Today, I am going to start traffic signal activity. Which activity? Traffic signal activity. Traffic signal activity. Traffic signal having three colors. How many colors? How many colors? Three colors. Red color means stop. Second one, yellow color. Yellow color. Wait. Yellow color means wait. Which color? Which color? Green color. Green color. This is red color. Red color means stop. Stop. Yellow color says wait. Green color means